Osmo Pocket, a compact, stabilized smart camera that was made to fit in every moment. Osmo Pocket puts the power of stable camera movement in the palm of your hand, allowing you to capture cinematic video anywhere, anytime. A compact 3-axis gimbal eliminates shake and jitter, giving you smooth video. Osmo Pocket is also your own camera crew. The versatile extension rod gives you even more control of your shot. In selfie mode, the camera automatically enters face track, keeping you in the shot as you explore your surroundings. For filming all your friends, Active Track is now more intuitive than ever. Simply tap on the subject and the camera follows its every move. Put your audience at the front of the action. FPV mode captures a more dynamic perspective, following the gimbal's orientation smoothly for fast-moving shots. Take Osmo Pocket on your underwater adventures with the waterproof case. Shoot with distortion-free clarity from the camera's wide-angle lens. Love the view? Take a motion lapse and the camera moves smoothly over time, allowing the scene to come to life. If one frame isn't enough for a complete picture, catch it perfectly with a seamless 3x3 panorama. With Night Shot, capture handheld long exposures and illuminate the night. Osmo Pocket introduces DJI Mimo, a new app that expands your creativity even further. Story mode adds movie magic to your clips with a variety of templates to choose from. Preset camera movements, effects, and music turn your everyday video into an instant hit. Osmo Pocket works seamlessly with your phone, allowing you to share your favorite moments with a single tap. It's just as easy to put away for whatever comes next. Osmo Pocket instantly captures smooth, stabilized video for wherever life takes you. It lets you turn all your moments, whether they're epic or everyday, into a story worth telling.
Osmo Pocket comes in this minimalistic box. Inside the box we're greeted with Osmo Pocket, its case, and some cards about Osmo Shield. Inside Osmo Pocket's case, a wristband for the case not for Osmo Pocket, USB to USB-C cable, lightning adapter to connect Osmo Pocket to your iPhone, USB-C adapter for your Android and iPad Pro, and some papers. They also added a diagram on the box showing how to place Osmo Pocket into its cover. Don't laugh, some people can't figure this stuff out. Osmo Pocket is very tiny, but it feels very sturdy. It has a tiny touch screen at the front, a record and mode/on-off button underneath, a USB-C port at the bottom, and micro SD card slot on the side. When you turn it on, it gets ready to shoot in just 5 seconds. Connecting Osmo Pocket to your phone is easy. Simply put the compatible adapter to your Osmo Pocket and plug it to your phone, and launch the new DJI app called Mimo. Osmo Pocket has 12 megapixel camera with 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor. The 26mm f2.0 lens has 80 degrees field of view. It can shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second 100 megabits per second video, and it weighs only 116 grams. And I know what you're thinking.
I was recently invited to explore the tropical paradise of Seychelles. During my trip, I got to experience everything that makes this isolated location so unique. From its talcum powder beaches and turquoise waters to its surreal rock formations and lush forests. This place is truly a paradise built in heaven, and I'm so blessed to have been able to work closely with DJI and its new Osmo Pocket to capture everything I had experienced and share it with you through my lens. When I travel, I love creating something that could inspire those feelings of wanderlust, to encourage a desire to get out there and experience the world.